Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Learning Way. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Uplay R164.dll file was not found. If this getting this error or bug, simply few methods I to this error, fix it. Before you begin, like this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu, then click on the power button, select the reset button to restart your system. Then go to the next step, Windows security. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that Windows security. Just click to open it. Then click on the virus and threat protection. Then click on the protection history. Just threat coordinate. Just click to confirmation. Yes, click here. Then find that DLL file. Then click to action. Then click to restore. After that, close it, then restart your system. Again, check it, then your problem fix it now. Again, it not working, then go to the next step. You play R164 DLL file download in your browser. Just you go to search in anyone website to click to download that file. Go to the next step. Download then extract, then right click to the WinRAR, then click on the extract file. Then OK, then double tap to open it, then go to that file, then right click to copy, then go to your game folder, double tap to open it, then double tap to pin folder, then paste it, then close it. You restart your system. After that, your problem fix it now. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime.